To delete cache on a certain platform, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the website. Once there, click on the Get Started button, which will prompt you to choose between the free and paid versions. After downloading and installing the necessary files, follow the provided instructions. The platform's demo version is being used for demonstration purposes, but the process is the same for the full version. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see various sections, including Dashboard, Orders, and Customer Service. Underneath these sections, there are options such as Modules, Design, Shipping, and Payment. To delete cache, go to the Advanced Parameters section, then click on Performance. From there, you can access the cache settings, where you'll see options to clear the cache. Simply click the Clear Cache button to delete the cache. This process is straightforward and can be completed by following these steps.